Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn one of the important topic in mathematics, that is polynomials. So when you check out with the syllabus of TET exams, Central TET and also GPSTR exam, hstr exam, always this topic is given. So the most expected topic for the following exams also, polynomials. Very easy topic, but it's a bit lengthy. Number of content involved in this is more, so we have to learn in detail where you can score well in this topic. Okay, always you can expect few questions from this. Before moving to the video, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of the videos we upload here, which will be useful for your TET exams, GPSTR and hstr exams. And also mainly we take up here maths and science concepts, both in English as well as in Kannada also. Separate videos I take up. Okay. So what are polynomials? An algebraic expression of the form p of x, if you take as a0 plus a1 into x to the power of 1 plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube plus it goes on plus an into x to the power of n. Generally polynomials will be in this form. Okay, and you can observe here the constant are a0, a1, a2, a3 are constants, and variables are x, obviously x1, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 3, etc. So x is a variable here, and the power of this variable must be non-negative integral. Okay, the exponent's power must be of non-negative integral exponent. And in this particular video, we are going to learn this problems based on these points. Okay, that is about degree of polynomial, to find the value of the polynomial, to check zeros of the polynomial, to find zeros of the polynomial, and to find the unknown value in the given polynomial. So these many points we are going to check it out. So as we getting into the topic polynomial, it's necessary that we have to recall these points related to polynomials. First, monomial, binomial, trinomial. We heard about these algebraic expressions. So what are monomials? The algebraic expression which has only one term are called as monomial. Mono means single, one, right? So here you can see x, just a single term. X, y, z. These are all in multiplication, that is in product. So one term, single term. Y, z by x, single term. So these all are the examples for monomials. Then what are binomials? An algebraic expression which has only two terms. X plus 2. See, one term, two term. Xy minus 5. Okay. Either plus sign are inserted or minus sign are inserted between the terms. Okay. So, and y by 2 minus z, etc. So, these are binomials. Moving to trinomials. 5 plus x plus y. Three terms. Okay. An algebraic expression which has only three terms are called as trinomials. Okay. As we further moving to multinomial or polynomials, an algebraic expression which contains more than one term, okay, are called as polynomial. Hence, binomial, trinomial are also comes under polynomial. Okay, so this polynomials contains more than one term. Remember, we also call polynomials as multinomials. That is more than three terms. We call it as multinomial, and more than one term, if the algebraic expression contains, we call them as polynomials. And if we consider an example of this x square plus xy plus y square by x minus y, this does not form a polynomial. Okay, this kind of expressions when you come across, it's not a polynomial. Okay, now on moving to next small topic, that is degree of polynomial. An algebraic expression is given 3x square minus 8x plus 4. So how to find the degree of the polynomial for the given variable? We know in an algebraic expression how to find the constant and variable. Here constant terms are, you see 3, 8 and 4. These are the constant. Variable is x. X square and x to the power of 1 is given. For this variable's highest power, the exponent form they have written, right? The highest power if you take, that is the degree of the polynomial. For this we have x square and x, which is the highest one, x square. So degree of the given polynomial is 2. Next one, you can see again x is given. Power is highest power is 5. So x to the power of 5 Hence the degree of polynomial is 5. Next one, 8 minus 5x. A power is not mentioned, but it is understood that is x to the power of 1. Hence the degree of polynomial is 1. In the next expression, whatever the terms are given, how many ever terms are given, okay, you can identify. If it is more than one term, you can find the highest power, that is the degree of the given polynomial. Here you see highest power is 4. Suppose if it is given the mixture of two variables like x and y in this equation, 5x square into y minus 4x cube y to the power of 5 plus 6. Then we have to find the highest power of each variable and add those highest power. That will give the polynomial's degree, okay, for the given polynomial's degree. Therefore, highest power of x is here x square and x cube. Hence, highest power is 3 plus y to the power of 5 is the highest one here. Therefore, 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. The next polynomial, same way you can find the highest power of x. You can check out with this. Highest power of x we get is 3 here. Then when you check out with y, y cube is the highest power. Then for z, you have 4. Add them up, you will get the degree of the given polynomial. Okay. Sometime in the basic exams like TET exams and all, there are chances they may ask for 1 mark. Okay. Let us now check out few sums related to this polynomial to check the values of the polynomial, to find the values of the polynomial. If f of x is equal to a polynomial is given, then f naught f of 0 we have to find out. It means wherever you find this variable x, we need to substitute 0. Okay. On substituting that and solving, you see all these factors become 0 and only plus 6. This is the answer. Very simple questions. Okay. For the same polynomial, if you need to find f of minus 1 value, just substitute wherever you find x has minus 1. Okay. Be little patient and solve this with negative signs. Okay. Don't be in a hurry, but be little careful. Okay. That's it. Very simple thing. Minus 1 3 times. When you multiply, you will get as minus 1 only. Minus 1 into plus 2 is minus 2. Same way, if you solve all this, you will get the answer as minus 4. So, this is the value of the given polynomial for the value of f of minus 1. Now, another question, similar type of question, find the value of the given polynomial g of x. If it is given f of x, g of x, p of x, everything is the same. So, they have given when x is equal to 1. Okay, here they have mentioned. So, substitute x is equal to 1 and then simplify, you will get this answer. Next, on moving to the next topic, to check zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so the questions will be check whether this x is equal to and x is equal to minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Means some polynomial will be given, means a polynomial will be given and some x values will be given. We have to check whether those x values are zeros of the polynomial. It is very simple to check. Remember, substitute the value of x, whatever x is given in the polynomial, and if you get answer as a 0, therefore the given number x is equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Here p of x is equal to x square minus 4 is given. Substituting x value as 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. Same way for x is equal to minus 2, when you substitute, also you get 0. Therefore, both x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. To check whether it is given the number is a 0 of the polynomial, this is how to find out. Next similar type of question, for g of x is equal to 2x plus 1, x is equal to half 1 by 2. Check whether this is a 0 of a polynomial. While substituting this, you get answer as 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 is not a 0 of a polynomial. Next, moving to find the zeros of the polynomial. This type of questions are very important. Okay. Here a polynomial is given x square plus 4x plus 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial. It means to find the value of x. If the variable is x, they are asking us to find the x value. If the variable is y, we need to find the y. Very simple. Don't get confused. Okay. If they directly give, solve this means you will solve by factorizing method or substituting for the formula quadratic equation. If the given polynomial is a quadratic equation, then you can substitute for that formula. Any method, the right method you can use to find the x value. Same way, if they ask you to find the zeros of the polynomial, just you can factorize. Okay. 4x you can split as plus 2 plus 2. So, you know how to do this. I have taken enough class based on this, okay, factorizing the given equation. Okay, so on doing that you get the value x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2 again. So therefore we have found the value of the polynomial x value. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. So remember, to find the zeros of the polynomial means to find the value of x, y, z, whatever the variable is given. That's it. Okay, don't get confused. Very, very simple. Then next similar type of question, 4y square plus 8y. We have to find the 0 of the polynomial. Then they will give you, if the polynomial is 4y square plus 8y, then the zeros of the polynomial are. Okay, then you can find out. Just simplify it, factorize it. Okay, take the common factor here. 4y is the common factor. Taking out, here remains y, here remains 2. Then equating this to 0, 4y is equal to 0. Therefore y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2 you get. Therefore the zeros of the polynomial are y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. Next, on moving to find the unknown or the constant value in the given polynomial. Okay, in the given polynomial, except the constants, the numerical constants, there will be a constant like alphabetical constant k, p, s, whatever the constant is given. You need to find that value. For example, if x is equal to 1 is a 0 of a polynomial. They have given the condition x is equal to 1 is a 0 of a polynomial. Therefore, we can equate this given polynomial by substituting x is equal to 1 to 0. Okay. Therefore, f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus k. Find the value of k. We need to find out. Therefore, the given polynomial is a 0 of a polynomial at x is equal to 1. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to 0. Then, on substituting the value f of 1 is equal to 0, you get this equation. You can simplify it. Taking this equal to 0, we need to find the value of k, where shifting this k to the left hand side becomes minus k is equal to 3. On simplifying, you can use Bodmer's rule and do that. Okay, is equal to 3. Therefore, k is equal to minus 3. So, value of k is equal to minus 3. Next question, for what value of k minus 4 is a 0 of a polynomial x square minus x plus of 2k plus 2. Okay, so here we have to take the value of x is equal to minus 4. Then substituting the value of x is equal to minus 4, you will get an equation, and equating that is equal to 0 because they have given minus 4 is a 0 of a polynomial. Equating that is equal to 0, you get this equation, and to find the value of 2k, keep the 2k here, shift this minus 22 other side, plus 22 other side becomes minus 22, get the value of k is equal to minus 11. Very simple, but questions will be of different. Whatever the question is asked, if x value is given, substitute it and just get the value of the constant term which is given. Now we shall check out with few multiple choice question type of questions based on this polynomial basics. First one, the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square minus 12x plus 9 are, options are given, we need to find the zeros of the polynomial. Next question is also of the same type. If minus 1 is a 0 of a polynomial, then f of x is equal to x square minus 7x minus 8. Then the other 0 is. So, first method what you can do is you can just factorize it and find the x value. Hence, those x values will be the zeros of the polynomial. In the second case, you can do it in two methods. First one, you can factorize this and find the zeros of the polynomial. So, one answer will be minus 1 pakka, you know. The other answer you need to find out. Or you can just substitute these values of 6, 8, minus 8 and 1. If you get answer as 0 for this polynomial, then that will be the answer. You can do it in any method. I will show you now. So for the first question, you can use this factorizing method. I have already taken up the class how to factorize the given polynomial. It is taken up before only. So if you are a basic mathematics student, fine, you will be able to do this easily. And if you feel difficult, let me get that feedback from you. I'll take up in detail. Okay, so you have 4x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0 you can consider, and then you can factorize it. Here 4 and 9, so 4 9s are 36, so 36 on splitting as minus 6 and minus 6, multiplying you will get this number, on adding you will get minus 12. So hence doing that you'll get the answer as x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Hence, option number 1 there is the right answer. And in the second one, x square minus 7x minus 8 is equal to 0. Again, doing by factorizing this, one answer you will get as x is equal to minus 1. You got it. The other factor is x is equal to 8. So that is the other 0 of the polynomial. So for the first question, option number 1, 3 by 2 is the right answer. Then for question number 2, option number 2, 8 is the right answer. Moving to the third question, the number to be added to the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 4 so that 3 is the 0 of the polynomial is. So here they have given that 3 is the 0 of a polynomial. Means on substituting this value of 3, you should get answer as 0, but it is not going to become 0 even if you substitute this value 3. So you will get a number while substituting. So that number and changing the sign you can find out. So consider the given polynomial x square minus 5x plus 4. Substitute the value of 3 first without adding any number. So you will get a number. So and change the sign and add that number. You get minus 2 as the number. So change the sign of this number minus 2 becomes plus 2. So when you add plus 2 to the given polynomial and then substitute the value of 3, you will get the answer as 0. Therefore, plus 2 is the number to be added for the given polynomial so that it gives 3 as the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, you can work out this kind of sums. Question number 4. The polynomials whose zeros are minus 5 and 4 is. So for this polynomial, when you substitute the value of minus 5 and 4, you will get answer as 0. Okay, so we have to check for this polynomial, okay, which is the right option for this polynomial. Okay, so you can just work out this and comment the answers in the comment box if you have time. Okay, so in the following classes I shall continue this polynomial chapter, a little higher tough level questions also we will try to solve it. Okay, I am taking all the type of questions so that it will be useful for TET exams, GPSTR exams and also for hstr type exams also. This will be useful. You will be able to answer all the questions. Hence, without leaving any important points, I am just taking up all these concepts. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, give a like, okay, and share to your friends. It might be useful for anyone who is preparing for this exams. Okay, so in the following classes I shall continue to take GPSTR related science classes also, which will be useful for TET classes also. Okay, thank you for watching.